Gemini, this is your channel messages for the 8th of November. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby. Gemini, we're going into your, what? Is my ex coming back reading, okay? You know how I feel about exes. I have never recycled that ex before. I don't know what it feels like to stay in contact with exes, but maybe you have good communication attachment levels with your exes, so we're going to see if maybe you want your ex to come back. I don't know, so we're going to go into that reading. Gemini, before we go into the reading, please listen to a song by one of the most famous Geminis I know. He said he wants some Marvin Gaye, some Luther Vandross, a little Anita. Will definitely set this party off right. She said she wasn't ready for the world, for new edition. I wanna beg you to let me set this party off right. Come on, baby. I can't go that faster, baby. You want me to go faster? I told him to drop over in his new whip, bring some friends he's cool with. I'ma bring the cool whip. Then I want him to strip, see him as my new. So we get all grind on. He be grabbing, calling me Biggie like Shadow. Man, that's what she find home. Why she always lying though, telling me they're diamonds when she know that she got a light skinned friend. Look like Michael Jackson, got a dark skinned friend. Look like Michael Jackson. I played ready for the world. She was ready from some action. My man said he was a freak, but he gotta prove my girl wrong. I'ma play the Vandross. He gon' take my panties off. I'm gon' do it well. You know there wasn't Marvin Gaye, some Luther Vandross, a little. We're definitely going to set this party off right. Gonna me. Well, what have we here, Gemini? Well, I see you want to know things about your exes. Well, anyway, let's go ahead and go into your reading. You never know what you have until it's gone, right, Gemini? Okay, let's see how does your ex feel about you, Gemini. Not all of our exes hate us. I'm pretty sure you still somewhere there lingering in their new relationship. How does your ex feel about you? The Ace of Wands. I'm getting your ex is very sexually stimulated when it comes on to you. I'm getting every time they hear your voice, anytime they see you, anytime they talk to you, their dick is always up. So I'm getting the sexual contact was never lost from this person, okay? Does he or she want you back? Does your ex want to get back together with you? The Queen of Wands. Me getting, yes, she wants to get back in contact with you, but the first thing is either she don't want to have as much sex as you want to. Maybe something started off very sexual and then it kind of faded. Me getting she don't want to have that much sex, or she don't want to feel used. She's an earth sign. She's not a fire sign. The second thing is somebody may want to get in, they want to come back to you, but we're getting something about your mother-in-law. A war with me and the mother-in-law. War with me and the mother-in-law. The father not too bad, neither the grandma, but a war with me and the mother-in-law. We're getting is war. But I'm getting, just because you and the mother along don't get along, it don't mean the son is less attracted to you. Okay? So I'm getting, they want to get back they want to get back with you, but apparently there's a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn woman who's standing in the way. Is it that their mother, maybe them sister, maybe them auntie? Or again, me getting what's standing in the way is she don't want to have that much sex. She's not sexually driven. What is the greatest obstacle of reuniting you two? The devil, yeah. So me getting when we have to face the devil, wow. But the devil can be your mother-in-law. You have to stand up to your mother-in-law. That's the devil. The devil can be, you have to create proper boundaries when it comes down to sex, right? If you're not in the mood, you don't have to force yourself to be in the mood to sexually please somebody. I don't know, I feel like with your ex, it was always about sex. He always want you to take off your clothes and they want to fuck you like this is a porn. They want to fuck you like porn. He's not paying you a Pornhub salary, but he want to fuck you like you're a porn star. Me getting the greatest obstacles also is about talking about him had a sexual problem. Me getting something about sex. You had a sex demon on you or you have a sex addiction. Me getting that's the greatest obstacle you have to talk about. What is a likely outcome of you two reuniting? Okay, so I'm getting it's going to be lovely. I'm getting a lot of touching, a lot of talking, a lot of kissing, a lot of... I'm getting when you go back to like puppy love, kissing. I feel like somebody can, I feel like this time around, somebody can control them sexual energy. No, I won't lie. I'm getting as a person, see how you touch them, you talk to them neck going be up. And you're going to be like, this is the same shit I'm talking about. I'm getting someone may have more control now this time around. Because I'm getting somebody dick don't get hard unless they're emotionally attached. I'm getting somebody has developed an emotional attachment to you. That's why every time them see you, them get aroused. But again, it's either your greatest obstacle in this relationship, you have to face your fear. Your fear is standing up to your mother, standing up to your sister. Or you're terrified to ask this person for a second chance. But I'm getting if you come back together, as long as both of you talk about the demons. Or talk about whatever addiction this was, because somebody clearly has an addiction here, okay? We have Kundalini. Also be careful, because I was looking down, the devil has the one. In the middle of the one and the devil is the Queen of Pentacles. I'm getting be careful, because I'm getting somebody who might want to just have toxic sex with you and then leave you again. Now I'm come in, tell you everything what you want here, have sex with you, in an argument with you and then leave you. We have third eye. We have the Magician. We have maybe friends, maybe more, and we got it over. Until next time, Gemini, bye.